up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today we are doing a 5th grade math lesson on place value up to the millions. Make sure you like and subscribe, go to the description and download the notes so you can follow along. Place value up to millions. Let's check it out. Numbers can be very large, like millions large. Place value helps you understand what each digit means. The same digit can have very different values depending on where it is. So here's an example of a place value chart. If I give you a number like this, I'm just going to write one out, writing it out right now, just making it up as I go along. I can put these digits into the place value chart and give words to the digits in its place value. Okay, now the smallest digit is the 1, so we'll put that 7 right here in the 1's place value. Next to it will be 3. That's the 10's value. Next to that will be another 7. That's the 100's value. Then the 1000th value is 1. 10,000's 3. 100,000's 0. And millions is 5. Now this number is read as 5,031,737. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a number and be like, what's the 3? And you would be like, the 3 is 10,000s. That's its place value. What's the 5? Millions. That's its place value. So I'm going to do a few and you're going to do a few. Let me do them first. Find the value of 6 in 6,342,195. So let's write those numbers out. 6, 3, 4, 2, 1, 9, 5. The 6 is in the millions place value. So let's say that the value of 6 is the millions. Okay. 6 is in the millions. Find the value of 4 in 1,482,670. So I'm not going to keep writing in this chart. What we'll do is we'll say, all right, well, the 4 is right here. Okay, so we have our 1s from the right, then our 10s, then our 100s, thousands is the 2, 10,000s is this 8, and 100,000s is this 4. So 4 is 100,000s. Okay? Remember, you go from the right and you go 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then millions. So let's do that here. What is the value of the 9 in 9,075,214? So 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and the 9 is once again in the millions. That's how much I make a day. No, almost. Write the value of the 2 in this number right here. We've got 3,291,468. So in this case, the 2, let's go to it, 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. That 2 lives in the 100,000s place value. 100,000s. Okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and I want you to try these 3 on your own. When you're ready, unpause the video, come back and check your work. I'll wait. Welcome back. Find the value of the 7 in 7,508,931. So let's just fill out this chart again just for funsies. 7,508,931. So we've got our, what do we want? We want the 7, okay. 1s, 10s, 100s, nope. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, nope. But the 7 is in the millions. So the 7 here is in the millions place value. Find the value of the 3 in 4,136,209. So that 3 lives right there. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 4 million, none of those. So that 3 is going to be the 10,000s. 10,000s. Last but not least, what is the value of the 8? Ones, hundreds, my bad. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 8 million. So that 8 is in the 8 million territory. So millions once again. All right, that's place value. Fun! And that's going to be the first lesson in our 5th grade math lessons. So let's wrap this guy up. In the number 5,684,312, which digit has the greatest value and why? Well, the greatest value is going to be 5 because it's the highest place value, which means it's the largest out of all of them. So the 5 is going to be our biggest one because it stands for 5 million. So that's our wrap up, and that's our video. A quick one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment and watch more of my videos. I'm going to make a bunch of 5th grade math videos that'll hopefully get you all good and ready for math in 5th grade. Once again, Math Teacher Goat right up there. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.